Hey guys, so this might be a longer video. I need to get this tightened because it just looks weird in my nose today. I need to get it tightened. Yeah, so I'm preparing you now. So we're going to use one of the Netty Bird palettes. We're going to use blue. Let's look to see if we're just going to use one palette or not. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Yeah, I think we can make it happen in one palette. Now, of course, we're not going to use glitter because I do not have a glitter glue at this moment. But I guess I'm going to have to order it offline. Because I know... Oh, goodness gracious. So, we're going to do... I've had this thing for so long. I'm surprised that it still works. Now, I don't know. I don't think it really makes a big difference if I use this or if I use a concealer. Y'all work with me. That is my heat that's going off. I need to turn it down. Because it's cool today, but it's not super duper hot. I mean, super duper cold, Lord. So. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can move this over some. All right. Now that that is done and prepped, let's see which one we're going to go in here with first. Are we going to use the bigger one first? Is this the bigger one? That was, nope, it's not. It is you. Okay. I got my little thing handy. All right, let's take this off. We're going to go in, Genuine. And I would try to use this more so than my other one so that y'all can see better on what I'm doing. And I also can see better what I'm doing evenly with the light being in front of me. Okay. It is a nice transition color. It basically blends in with the concealer and, excuse me, the base, which is fine. Okay, so, no. Harmony or fellowship or partner in crime. Now, partner in crime and harmony are kind of similar, but they are a shade different, just a little bit. Sorry, guys. I don't want to bend back because I think I'm going to break it. So, that is harmony, and then that is partner in crime. So, it is a little shade different. And then we have fellowship here, which I do like. Okay, let's do harmony. Okay, and we're just going to kind of go over the transition color. Let us change brushes. Okay. Okay. This brush is smaller than that one. Um, that brush being so spread, it was almost looking a little patchy. So this blends a little better, even though I feel like in the crease area, it's a little darker, but that is okay. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Oh, and my nose ring is blue. It's just so fitting. It's just so fitting. I was going to do green, but I any, mini, miny mode and blue one. So, oh, and this palette's name is Sibling Loyalty. Got the package dirty already. Okay, so let's go on to the next eye. Yes, this brush does a lot better. What do you guys think? How you guys doing on this glorious Sunday morning? Did any of y'all go to church? My baby and his grandpa went to church this morning. That is currently where they are. I don't know why I took it out so far. It's just where we at right now. So, y'all know when I wrinkle up my forehead like that, God, it gives me a headache. But that's the only way I can seem to get my eyes to stretch out because my eyelids fold. So, okay. You guys think that's blended enough? The lipstick I wore last night. When I did the swatch, y'all, if you watched the video before of me unboxing this product or these palettes from the company, the lipstick would not move off of my hand. Like it didn't. But when I tell you it didn't last 2 hours for me last night when I ate. It didn't last 2 hours for me when I ate, and I was not a happy camper at all. And all I had was French fries and wings. You know, I guess the grease on it is just it. I need lipstick that's going to allow me to be great and eat. Okay, that's what I need. That's what I need. We're going to go in with Fellowship. I was not a happy camper. Not a happy camper. Then I applied another one on my next destination. And I don't think that one was any dang nabbit better. I just... Don't you do it. I just was not a happy camper. Okay? I wasn't. It's staying there right now. I wasn't. Okay, so we're putting this one more so in the crease. Can you see the two difference of the colors? I like this palette. I really do like this palette. I think the quality of these colors are really good. Are really good. I did not check the price, guys. I forgot. Like I said, there two of them are 17. Sorry, and two of them are 22 a piece. And I'm not sure which two is which two, but I think with those price points, regardless of which two is which two, with this blue palette, because this is the only one I've used so far, I think the quality is good. I do think the quality is good. It's easy to work with. They blend well together, which I mean it should because it's the same palette, but you know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? And I just want to make sure that we can see both of the colors. I know I go so high up, but the way my the way my it just okay, whatever. Whatever. Y'all know if y'all got tips and stuff, y'all can always leave them down below. Let's see if we can pull you out a little bit too. Is it really moving? I don't feel like it, but hey. Oh, that one did. Okay, so more than likely that one did too. I need to get some makeup wipes. Because with deeper colors like this, I know for certain that a concealer is not going to be the only thing I need to use. Okay, let's try to even that out. Oh, you're fine. It's this one. Okay. Now let's see if we can try to cut it a little bit. Where the heck, Nabbit, did you drop? Okay. Y'all pray for me. I know I don't know how to cut crease. You never don't. Give me a second. Give me... Okay. Oh Lord, I should have wiped that off. Okay. Now it's always this eye. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. It's a mess. Don't judge me, it's a mess. But overall, I like the quality of the palette. I got foundation on it. Y'all don't judge me, but I put my beauty sponge on it. So I've been using the Lorella makeup sponge for the last few videos that I do wear makeup, and I really like it. I really like it. It's very soft. I do not wet it. I mean, you can wet it, of course. I haven't wetting it since I've used it. But yeah. So this is the eyes. The quality of this palette is bomb. It just is. It's bomb. And I'm very happy with the purchase. And that's the God honest truth. I'm very happy with this purchase. Yeah, I know I rarely do full price items at all. So it comes out to about $15 per palette because I paid $60 something for 4 palettes and the one lip color. And I don't know where I put that lip color at, but it's a beautiful color because I wore it last night. And I forgot, I didn't put a picture up on my Instagram page if you want to see the lip color. It is very matte. But it does come off with oil, so be mindful of what you're eating or how you're eating it. Eat with the fork. Don't eat wings. Just giving you a heads up. Don't eat wings and eat with the fork, because if not, and the grease get on your lips, it is going to come off. But it is very matte, and I do love the color that I got. It's a grayish purplish color. So it is good quality. Y'all know I did the swatches. I put it on my hands and it was not trying to budge at all. So yeah, I will try it again, and watch what I eat as far as grease wise. Now I will eat, but I will try to watch what I eat grease wise, and use a fork, no finger foods, to give it time to see if it is long lasting, because I do want to see that. But as far as this palette here, which is Sibling Loyalty, I love it. I love it. Like, I love it. I just, there's no words. There's no words. So for $15, well, for me is what it came out to, about $15 a palette. I can't fuss. I can't argue. I just can't. Y'all know I don't do full price on things, but this was worth it. This was worth it. I mean, it wasn't full price because there's 17 and then 22, but it was worth it. I just can't say it anymore. It was worth it to me. And I hope to you guys, because these blues are fantastic. They blended well together. The only reason why I cut the video off is because I didn't want it to be 30-45 minutes long. You know, because, I mean, I don't watch videos that long. I let them play. But I certain videos, I just can't sit there and watch the whole thing. I do other things while I have my videos playing anyway. So that is why I cut it off. And y'all know I really don't know much about this cut crease thing. This is not originally where I started. But you know how my eyes are, so I have to go further up because it's going to transfer anyways. Then of course I had issues putting my foundation and stuff on, messing with the inside of it, and it's just a mess. But as far as the eye color itself and the quality of it and the blending ability of it, I thought it was really good. It was great. And you do get a bang for your buck. Like, it is worth it. And for you get 15 colors in each one. 15 colors. I think that's really good. I mean, $1 per color for me. That's not bad at all, because the $17, $22 full price is worth it to me on this palette. It just is. It just is. So having a percentage off is awesome in itself. So yes. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really did enjoy this video. That's about it. Like, subscribe. You can always leave a comment down below. And check out Netty Birds. It's Netty, well, nettybird.com is their website. I say check it out. You can't buy nothing, but just look at it. Check it out. They do have more lip colors than the one that I bought. But that one just stood out to me, which is why I purchased that color. I have enough pinks, reds, browns, nudes. I just have enough of those colors. So the one that I bought, I really did like. But that is it, guys, because I don't want to go too much longer. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.